beings, every kind of budget. There is medium products you can afford with product is starting even for $25, $30 Canadian dollar. It's not American dollar, it's not euro. It is almost 20 euro, something like this. And then you will go also to, this is Posh. This is the company called Posh. And this is for the people who just want to start new, to promote their business for friends. So you can always start with Posh, and this everybody can afford it. In every country people can afford it. It is not only expensive product by very much. There is Fairy. Fairy is the one you have something medium prices for rich, poor people, but high quality and high designed. They are all made, please, in Canada, in Europe. Like we all know that Italy and France, they're the best designer makers in Europe, in the whole world actually. So the belt, shoes for men, they're made in Portugal, and we also know the best shoes come in the world from Portugal. The jewelry, diamonds that are cut by hand and made in France, and all the women's shoes in Italy. As you see, the quality of the design, how great it is. And there is Ferimosh. Ferimosh is the high quality of jewelry. That is the place where you find gold, diamonds, sapphire, for weddings and presents for prince and princess and queen and kings. So you will always have different type of customers to come to your website. You have people to afford, they will find something in your website. Who knows, maybe you will find, you will become a millionaire by yourself. I'm sure you will become a millionaire, because a lot of people have become millionaires through DWT. Thank you, Remin Mascaro. And if one person made it, why not you? This is the opportunity. Dear friends, I want to share it with you, because I tried by myself and it works. I didn't also believe at the beginning that they really give me product to wear just like that and to pay me for it. This side here, please bring the camera. This is the product I get to wear here. And the product which you get to wear, it is, you have to choose it by yourself. So DWT doesn't tell you you have to wear this, or you have to buy this, or this is the only place you have to choose the product. So you choose according to your taste and of course the things which you like. And this is what I like. I love jewelry. I like jewelry. But till now, I will start with this, then I will make money and order diamonds, of course. This is what I get. Dear friend, this is free of charge. This is for me just to wear. Can you imagine? And this, I never get this something in my life, not even a present. Somebody give me all this just free to wear. And after I saw that it is really true, they give me something to wear without paying for it, then I decide to share it with you, because I am definitely sure it works. Because some people say, yeah, we pay. I say, no, I don't just tell my friends nothing which is lying. After I prove that it is true, this is also the earrings from Fairy, from Posh. And so, things for women, for men, for ladies, for gentlemen, for young people, for old people, for fashionable people, for housewomen, things for everybody actually. And thank you for joining us today, this very first GWT presentation in Austria, and I am very happy that you came. And it is me, Huda Gida, the host, the organizer, the one who gives the offer to make the presentation, because I love this job and I love organizing. This is actually my job. I organize events, and I like also all that fashion, and I like to look nice. And I like, of course, to have money. You know why? Because I want to pay my bills, I want to travel, I want to sleep quietly without worrying somebody is going to take the roof out of my head. I want to visit my family, I want to help my people, I want to give my friends presents. I want just to live my life, just to live. And for this, I need money. I need money to buy soap to wash my head. I need money to pay my electricity. I need money to send you an email. I need to pay the internet. So dear friends, money is good, but how long you live until you get the quality, the quantity of life you want from the job. You wake up in the morning and you struggle, you work until in the night, you have no time with your family, with your wife, with your husband, with your children. And Remy Mascaro gave you the chance to make all this, and life must not be that difficult. Life can be easy. And thank you very much, Global Wall Street. Thank you very much, Renee. Leo, thank you for teaching me on Skype. Thank you. Remy Mascaro, thank you of all of have this idea actually. It is something like the way God sent us His gifts. So you are the way the gifts is coming from us. So thank you. And then, so cut.